Silts. Nē, nelīst. Protams, kādam. Viss kārtībā. Pilnīgi paradīze.
Es Jonas.
Gentlemen, move now to the final of the women's 100-meter breaststroke.
Challenging, Millions like 15 years of age. Is she the youngest ever to win it? Closing with every stroke. It'll be a touch on the ball. Which way does it go? It goes to the Lithuanian. History has been made here.
Čau, Modri. Viņam šodien 18 punkti.
Šodien? Ej, no! Šodien! Nopietni!